I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it.
Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these fluffy bouncy curls. Purr. So anyway, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and basically air dry. I didn't air dry my hair intentionally. I just let too much time go past while I was doing other stuff. But I did go ahead and go in with my heat protecting spray. And I already have a few drops of my oil in my hair. Do not put a lot of oil in your hair because you don't want your hair to be, greasy and weighed down. But I did spray it. I get it pretty damp with the spray and make sure I get my ends good. And then I go in and blow dry it out. And then I'll come back to y'all after I finish blow drying.
Gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style.
Okay, now that I'm done blow drying it, I am going through my hot comb and hot combing my roots so to make it easier for me to do my silk press and not have to stress about the roots, because the roots be rooting, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and trim my hair. If you get your hair trimmed by professionals, continue to do so. If you don't know what you're doing, I don't recommend doing it on yourself. I'll just say that much.
Must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day.
Okay, so now I'm gonna just be parting out sections in the back of my head. I can't really see the back, but I'm just kind of going like off of feels. So I'm just parting sections and flat ironing them. And then once I'm done with a section, I'll just like clip my ends on that side. So you'll see I'll do it here. But I'm not like, I clipped them already, but my hair was blown out and not straight. So I'm like basically going back in and like straightening my ends out so they'll be more even, if that makes sense. Now what you could do is flat iron your whole head and then trim it all at once. But I knew that I was going to be adding my Flexi rods in during this process, so all my hair wouldn't be flat ironed and down at the same time, basically. But if you want to do that and that's easier for you, you can go ahead and do that. But I am going to be flat ironing full section, and then I'm going to curl that section, and then I'm going to wrap it with the Flexi rods, and I'm going to do that same thing all the way up my whole head until my whole head is flat ironed and curled and wrapped in Flexi rods.
Let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. La, 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 la,
Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings, and I need it, baby. Pressure and make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I feel.
Okay, so here you can see me curling this section of hair in the back, and I'm just adding a flexi rod from the end of my hair, and then I'm just crossing it so that it'll stay, folding it so that it'll stay, and then I'm going to continue with the next section and do the same thing over and over and over, and then I'll slow it down again once I get to the top.
The day you gone, the most beautiful girl I've ever known.
I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I found a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my wife.
Okay, so now I'm doing the front. You may notice that the sections that I do are a lot larger than the sections that I did in the back, and that's because my hair is a lot thinner, and my hair isn't as coarse. I don't even really want to use the word coarse because my hair isn't coarse, but basically my hair strands are just a lot thicker in the back than they are in the front, and this is a good way to avoid heat damage by making sure that you're not flat ironing your hair in too small of sections, because now you're putting a lot of heat on a small section when it'll be the same result if you put that amount of heat on a larger section, basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish out and then I'll come back to y'all a little bit later.
She my medical, she like my baby mama, know how to take care of me, give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know, came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you, yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. La, 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 la. Da 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 da. La 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 I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the...
Wrapping my hair in a flexi rod. I'm going to lightly spray with some super hold sprays. You can use any type of holding spray. This is just what I have on hand. I probably wouldn't use this any other time, but I'm gonna spray from far back because I don't want my hair to get hard or anything. Then I'm gonna just put on my bonnet.
She pay tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic.
That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called him.
My hair forward and backwards and see what happens. Okay, so it went back into the middle part that I had, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna do like a side part or not, cause I just curled the middle part back, so I could go either way for a side part if I wanted to. But this is so cute. It looks so much better than when I just try to like curl it. It's so fluffy. It's so pretty. Y'all, this is I haven't done anything to my edges, so this is just my natural baby hair just doing what they do. But this is so cute. And I got me a haircut. It's bouncy. I'll show y'all how long my hair is though after my haircut. It's still pretty long. Yeah, it's still pretty long after my haircut. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Middle part, or I wish I could have like the 70s, you know, little Farrah Fawcett look, but my hair is too long. But this is so pretty. Oh, yes, y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta do this. Baby, stop playing. Yes.
Body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page.